Here's my fast meal prep hack that helped me get ripped and get that lean six-pack. When it comes to the meals, go into Whole Foods, get the Indian spinach dal. If we look at the macros, it only has about 25 grams of carbohydrates, high in protein, moderate fats, dairy and chicken, another high protein source, and some avocados. Let's go to the kitchen and show you how to make it. First thing you need is an air fryer. We're gonna go ahead and put this on air crisp, 400 degrees, and throw this right in there, have it cooked for about 8 minutes. Next, we're gonna take this, open this up, open the microwave, 1 minute. Then with my avocado, I already washed it. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up and eat half of that. Half is about 68 grams. A lot of my healthy omegas plus good source of potassium. All right, so this is my extremely fast meal prep hack that helps me get a six-pack and be super ripped. And if we look at the macros,